Hello everyone, I hope you are all fine. First of all, today is our baby bear's birthday. Just look at him. He's so cute. Such an adorable baby. Okay, now let's go back to the unboxing video. I have two things to show you today. First, Time magazine on which BTS appeared as Entertainer of the Year. And secondly, my first ever BTS enamel pin. First, I'll start with the magazine. As you can see, the package is somehow damaged from this side, as well as you can see the mark over here. I ordered this magazine from Amazon. I don't like the packaging very much because it's not very well protected like the Rolling Stone one. If you haven't seen my previous unboxing video of Rolling Stone India BTS edition, I will link it down below so you can check it out as well. So it took me a while to unpack this package because I don't want to damage the magazine inside. Also, they haven't added any cardboard sheet like they did in Rolling Stones one. That was greatly packed, and the quality of the pages are really good. Like it was a thick paper. So here's my Time magazine. I thought BTS would be on the cover of the magazine. Let's see what's inside. You can see the paper at the back is shiny and in the front as well. So here is BTS. Why would you put stamp on this paper? This page, you get this page only to put a stamp. So this was the page which would be the cover, which should have been the cover of the magazine that I saw on other sites or on other unboxing videos. I don't think there are many BTS related things in this magazine. Here we have the article, Entertainer of the Year article, and this is the other photo in which they are sitting. Let me see if they have something else related to BTS in this magazine. I don't think so. No, there isn't any other article or any other photo of the BTS. So this is it for the Time magazine. Now we have my first ever enamel pin. My first ever BTS enamel pin. I ordered a lot of these. I like the smiley they added with my name. So I ordered a lot of these pins, these BTS related small things. I really want to collect all of these. They are so adorable, cute little pins. So this was the one that came first. I forgot to tell you that I opened this package off camera just for my own convenience. This is the pin, I suppose, and this could be the freebies, I guess. Let's open it first to see what's inside. I always get tempted to get these little cute things because of the packets that we get and the freebies we get with the main product. They are such cute little things I want to collect. So I almost tore whole of the packet because I couldn't get it out. Here is a card they added. They got a typo there in my name. Anyway, it's okay. Let's move on. Here's Koya and RJ. I thought they are stickers, but they are not. Here's Hobie and the OT7 picture. Oh, look at him. I love it so much. It's little Polaroid style picture. Oh, it got banned from here. No. Look. So sad. Anyway, let's move on to the pin now. I'm sorry for the freebie packet. I almost destroyed it. I couldn't open it, so I have to. This packet is thick. I really like I like everything, like everything. Let me get it out. Yeah, here's my Jungkook. This is 19811 Jungkook. We first time saw him with long hair and that look. Oh my god, look at the pin. Just look at it. And the shine. Oh, I just love it. Look at the shine. Look at the pin. And this is the back side of the pin. We have to open it to. This is their name. I ordered this from their Instagram account. You can type BWNI pins. So this is all for today. I really like my pin so much. I don't like the Time magazine that much. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye.